गुरुदेवा जय गुरुदेवा
Sita, how are you? Good? Huh? Or you come more forward this because sun is there. Or you come more for this. Please. No. Then after 10 minutes, automatically sun sets. Mic come. This is a nice place, good, huh?
Nice.
हाँ? आप इधर आ जाओ। हाँ? ये इधर बैठ। Oh, you come here. Yeah. धूप में क्यों बैठे? छाया तो इधर है। इधर इधर ओके। हाँ, वो जोरी का था बोलता। थोड़ा कीर्तन कर ले। भज श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरभक्तवृंद। भज श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण where is your mother, Sita? She's not coming? Huh? She... Need to be tired today, huh? Long journey. Om Ajnanatimirandhrasya Jnananjana Salakaya Chukshurmritam Jena Tasmai Sri Gurave Namah Gurave Gaurachandraya Radhikavai Tadalai Krishnaya Krishna Bhaktaya Tadbhaktaya Namo Namaha Namo Mahavadannaya Krishna Prema Pradayate Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya Namne Gauratise Namah He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Dinabandhu Jagatpate Gopisa Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namostute Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrisabhanusate Devi Pranamami Hari Priya Om Vrindavai Tulasi Devai Priya Vai Kesavasya Krishna Bhakti Prade Devi Sattvatai Namo Namah Bhakta Vihina Aparadha Lakshai Kiptasya Kamaditarangamadhai Kripamai Saranam Prapanam Vrinde Namaste Charanarvindam 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 Bhajami Radham Arvinda Netram Smarami Radham Madhura Smitasam Badami Radham Karunavaradra Tato Mamanaste Gatirna Kapi Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhar Srivasadi Sri Gauravakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. I forget one to ask one thing. Have you anybody tape?
Tape.
No tape, that white tape to put on, because I wrote my schedule in front of my door, but need one tape. You have? Huh? Because that paper is on my door, but maybe that paper would be fell down. No one can. Where?
Not here, but in the room I have. In my room I have. Tape. But not now.
No, now I'm saying you have now. You have. आज लेकर के वो लगा हुआ है, समझ में आती कि नहीं? वो तो पेपर लगा हुआ है, तो उसके टेप से लगा दो, नहीं तो गिर जाएगा नीचे। मेरे पास नहीं था, क्योंकि मैंने यहाँ कथा करूँ कुछ को पता ही नहीं कहाँ पर है। हाँ, वो कहाँ जा रही है? She has. Okay. So first of all, I pay my obeisances unto lotus feet of my Gurupad Padma, Nitya Lila, प्रविष्टं विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर सत्स्य श्रीमद् भक्ति वेदांत श्रील वामन गोस्वामी महाराज and Nitya Lila प्रविष्टं विष्णुपाद अष्टोत्तर सत्स्य श्रीमद् भक्ति वेदांत श्रील नारायण गोस्वामी महाराज. Simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtuttara Satmad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Guru Govinda Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Raka Siddhar Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhaktivan Puri Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and Vaishnavis presented, all of my respectful guests. So by the Kajris mercy of Guru Nityananda Prabhu, we are performing Navadvip Dham Parikrama. So couple days before we also discussed how Navadvip Dham is very magnificent and magnanimous. Because Navadvip Dham, actually Nityananda Baladev Prabhu manifested himself. Because Baladev Tattva, when you discuss about Baladev Tattva, Baladev Prabhu, he is non-different from also Dham. And especially Baladev Prabhu, he serves to Krishna many ways, but prominent 10 ways he serves to Krishna. That's called Dasavidha Seva. Asan, Basan, Bhushan, Pada Sevan, and Chamar Chhatra. Even Krishna's body also, Baladev Prabhu. And everything, Baladev Tattva, actually Baladev also, that is called the Sandhini Tattva. What did he say? Sandhini Tattva, existence. So Baladev Prabhu, he serves to Krishna, especially Dham. Dham means Ishwar, Dham means shelter, ashram. Without taking shelter, lotus feet of Baladev Prabhu, no one can to attend to Krishna. So, Nartam Das Thakur very clearly explained, Nitayar Koruna Have, Braje Radha Krishna Pave, Dhara Nitay Charana Dukhan. When you receive the mercy of Nityananda Prabhu or Baladev Prabhu, then we will get the mercy of different color Radha and Krishna. So Baladev, Nitayar Koruna Have, Braje Radha Krishna Pave, Dhara Nitay Charana Dukhani. Means very carefully hold the lotus feet of Nityananda Prabhu. Yeah? Why saying this hold? Because without taking shelter lotus feet of Baladev Prabhu or Nityananda Prabhu, we cannot receive the mercy of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Yeah? When you receive the mercy of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, then automatically Radha Krishna Prem will manifest in our heart. Jatha Jatha Gaura Padara Binde Binde Bhuat Kitapunna Punda Tatha Tatha Sarve Hidi Akasmat Radha Podambujo Sudha Rasi. Those are very fortunate, Subhagavan. Many lives, they perform bhajan and sadhan and collect the sukriti, spiritual pious activities. Only they will take shelter, lotus feet of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And everyone will not come to take shelter, lotus feet of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So those who are very Sukritivan, they are very fortunate, they will come in the line of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So in this Sanskrit verse very clearly explained, Jatha Jatha Gaura Padara Binde Binded Bhuat Kritapunna Punja Tatha Tatha Sapriti Hridi Akasmat Radha Padambujo Sudhambu Rasi. If you will take shelter, lotus feet of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and automatically Radha Krishna Prem will manifest in your heart. Especially in this Kali Yuga, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself told, Ama bina braja prem nahi anne dite. Very clearly, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is boldly. He told this. Amapina Braja Prem Nahi Annedita. Except me, no one can give Braj Prem. Only Chaitanya Mahaprabhu he will give. So others, what will they? Maybe your question will come. You are saying, oh, Nityananda will give. Or others they will give. Actual, inside the meaning, they will be the recommendation. Without the recommendation of Nityananda Prabhu, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he will not give prem also. Actually, this is the many people say, oh, Nityananda will give prem. So why will go to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? If Nityananda will give him. You can take laddu, 2 persons are giving laddu. What you do? You can go and anywhere. You can choose to go to whom. Do you understand? But here saying in the same, even Nityananda is giving prem, so why will go to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? Question will come. Because many places usually is what? Nityananda he will give prem, Advaita Acharya will give prem. And in many Bengali verse also explain this way. Actually, here the meaning is what? They will give the recommendation. Without Nityananda recommendation, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu will not give prem. This is. So the Nitayere Karuna Have, Braje Radha Krishna Prabhu. When we will receive the mercy of Nityananda Prabhu, Nityananda Kripa, then recommendation of Nityananda Prabhu. Such as in the deliverance of Jagai and Madhai. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave prem to them. When Nityananda Prabhu, very humble, told to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, hey Prabhu, you promised in this incarnation of Gauranga, you will not hold any weapons. Because Madhai, when he hit it on the head of Nityananda, when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu heard, then Chaitanya Mahaprabhu became very angry and he manifested his Narayan mood and called Sudarshan Chakra. Then Sudarshan will come in. To kill Jagai and Madhai. Then Nityananda Prabhu hold the lotus feet of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and told this Prabhu, in this incarnation of Gaura Avatar, you told, you will not hold any weapon. Ram Adi Avatari Krodhe Nana Astra Dhare, Eve Astra Na Dharila, Pranekaro Namarila, Harinam Diya Karila Sudhar. Ram Adi Avatari, in the incarnation of Ramchandra or Krishna, they killed many demons. Krishna, he killed many demons. And with his weapons, especially in Dwaraka Leela, Krishna hold Sudarshan Chakra. He killed many demons. But Vrindavan Leela, he did not hold any weapons. But in Dwaraka Leela, he hold many weapons and killed the demons. And in Ram Leela and Dapar Treta Yug, in Ram Leela, Bhagavan Ramchandra, he also killed many demons with his bow and arrows, Dhanush. So for this regard, Nityananda Prabhu told, the Ramadi Avatare Krodhe Nana Astra Dhare, Eve Astra Na Dharila Pranekaro Namarila. In the incarnation of Gaur Sundar, he did not hold any weapon. Just he purified the heart of the demons with the holy names. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare. Harinam Diya Karila Sudhar. And purified the heart of all the living entities through Nam Sankirtan. In the incarnation of Krishna, he killed many demons, such as Putana. But Krishna, he did not give the prem in the body of Putana. When Krishna killed Putana Sarir killed, then Putana She got her transcendental constitution form, Siddhadeva. What form? Putana? Huh? The maidservant of Mother Jashoda. Huh? In Golok, not Vrindavan. Aho Bhaktiyam Stanakalo Kotang. In this verse explained how Krishna is munificent and magnanimous also. Eh? This Putana, she did not perform bhajan and sadhana. Nothing. Eh? And Putana, she was very ugly also. What is the qualification of Putana? You have many qualifications. Eh? What is the qualification of Putana? Putana के कौन सा qualification था? Eh? She was sucking the blood of the small baby. Eh? Putana balaghatini rudhira asana. Eh? She was sucking the blood of the small baby. Eh? And so much bad smell from her body. Eh? You compare yourself to Putana. You are not Putana. Who is Putana? So saying Putana Balaghatini Rudirasana. She killed small baby. And she was very ugly also. But Krishna killed her Putana body and sent to her in Golok, not Vrindavan. And she serves to Krishna under guidance of Mother Jashoda. That is called Dhatrochita Gatim Kangba Dayalum Saranam Brajim. Who does not want to take shelter of lotus feet of Krishna? Even Krishna, he distributed the prem in Braj, inside the Braj. Latasako Opi Prema Abundanchi. In Sanskrit verse also explained how Krishna is very merciful. Though Krishna's many incarnations, but they did not give the prem. But Krishna is very merciful and wonderful. Krishna, he distributed the highest prem in Braj. So for this regard, Krishna is called also munificent and magnanimous. But Krishna distributed his prem only inside the Braj, with his own parikar associates. Krishna, he distributed the prem in Braj with his own associates, parikar. Only inside the Braj, not outside the Braj. A Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, that means when you comparing with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Krishna. Or Chaitanya Mahaprabhu distributed this prem, highest prem, inside Braj, outside Braj. Even. And he did not, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he did not discriminate who is qualified or who is unqualified. Hena avatare vichar na karila. Chaitanya Chaitamrita or Chaitanya Bhagavati. In this incarnation, he did not discriminate who is qualified or who is unqualified. Jare dekhe tare then prem bilaiye. Whatever who is coming, is taking this. Even who does not want to take the Krishna prem, Braja prem, and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu chasing behind, and take this, why not? Huh? Why not take? Take, must be take. Sometimes I also say how Gaudiya Vaishnava in our Krishna consciousness, how they are generous. Sometimes it just if some Harikatha in your house, you prepare many kinds of preparations. Understand? Maybe 10, 15, many kinds of preparations. Look this. You are not asking any charge. What you are writing? क्या रखते हैं? Free entry. No need to pay anything. Understand? When you will come, they will very nicely. And especially I saw Holland. When they look like the 5-star hotel. Guest, 300, this time I saw the 300 guests came. Big hall, nice big. And all devotees very gently, as like, what is it? They are servicing as like air hostess. That is very nice, beautiful place, this thing. And the putting in the very different types of juice. I am looking, I am watching how they are. And like how they are the guests, first class, business class, airplane guests, they are sitting. And our devotees, they also, they distribute. And very humble, take. I am just watching how they are servicing love and affection. If you buy the air ticket, business class or first class, they also doing this thing. But they will get too much money from you. But our devotees, they don't accept. Even if you will not take, they are very upset also. Why not? Take, please. And if you say, I have no time, I have to go back my home. What they are saying? What they are saying? But take this plate. Not really, okay, I have no time. Okay, I am packing for you. Take this. And this one. Look, they are all in devotee. I am watching how they have love and affection. Others countries are doing, but how they are love and affection. Take this thing. Packing very nicely, packing also. I am watching how they have love and affection. Very nicely, as like 5-star hotel. How they are packing very nicely. What is called? Different color of, what is called? Paper. Understand? As like in India, their marriage ceremony. If your guest coming, take this. Why I am saying it? Because our Krishna consciousness, Chaitanya, especially those who are coming in the Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, how they are very humble. Take this. If you go to the hotel, you have to, they are also very love and affection with you, but they are love and affection, business love. Artificial and also business. You have to pay. First you have to pay. Then they will give to you. Buy one, get one, free one. Actually, this is your businessman words. Buy one, get one, free one. Then you can say, okay, free one I will take, maybe tomorrow I will come and buy one. But no, buy one, free one. Buy one, get one, free one. No one get free. So I am saying, actually why I am saying this? Those who are coming in the Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Because this is the teaching of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu also. Tinadapi sunicheno, taroriva sahisuna, omanino mano deno, kirtaniya sada. But sometimes also upset. Sometimes also people don't want to come. Once I was giving Harikatha in France. That day was very windy and also rain, little bit snow. Our France devotee, I remember many years before, our France devotee, they also arranged very nice, beautiful place. They are arranging in their Harikatha. So when I arrived, they say maybe 20 or 25 our devotees are sitting. But they expected maybe 50, but 25 devotees are there. Then just almost my Harikatha finished, then some Indian devotee has come. 2 families, maybe 7 or 8 devotees came. 8 people came. Almost my Harikatha finished. They sit. Then when my Harikatha almost finished, then also they stood up. I told, please take prasad, then you go. Then to go, oh, we have come here wrong place. We have come in the wrong place. Why? Because that will tell you that the one room, that is what it's called. That many people of music and this is called. क्या बोलते हैं इसके? जहाँ पर लोग जाते हैं वो क्या बोलते हैं? बार के वो जाते हैं ना? अरे नहीं वो बहुत सुंदर कथा है. जहाँ पर लोग ये पीते हैं,
क्लब
बर्ड डांसिंग, वो क्या हुआ, चलो वो से पास में जो रूम जो है वो उनका ही था, किंतु उसके हवा में वो जो एरो है ना गिर गया। तो गैरो गिर गया तो इस तरफ हो गया, तो उनके जाना था उस तरफ जाना था ना। तो एरो जब गिर गया तो इस तरफ आ गया। इसलिए वो कह रहे हैं जो वी हैव कम इन रॉन्ग प्लेस। आप इंग्लिश में बोलो, क्या बोला? वो नहीं, वो जो खेलते हैं उनके ऊपर बजा बजाते हैं और कैसी हो कैसीनो जो, मेरा याद है। So for this regard, they told, oh, we have come wrong place. They said, no, you have come the right place. Please take prasad. Why not? So I am saying, because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, those who are devotee of Lord Chaitanya, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he is also called the embodiment of munificent and magnanimous. In the same way, those who are devotee of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, they are also same. How they are humble. So now coming in this way, so Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he promised in this incarnation of Gaura avatar, he would distribute this praying text. Even 6 types of people, they don't want to receive the mercy of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Mayavadi, Kutarkik, dry logic, impartialist, offenders, aparadhi, and those who are studying Vedas and Upanishads, that is called Podua, they are always absorbed in study. They are called Podua. पढ़ते रहते हैं, पढ़ाकू, बोलते पढ़ाकू और लड़ाकू. They don't want to receive the mercy of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu chasing behind them, and by force Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu take this prem. Because Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, I got the highest prem from Golok Vrindavan. I have to give this free to everybody. Take this. Otherwise I will not return back to Golok Vrindavan. I brought from far away. I have to give to everybody. But one thing, Nityananda Prabhu, he told Prabhu, one thing, if you give free, maybe people will not understand what is the value of these things. कोई वस्तु फ्री में दिया जाता है ना, लोग इसके ये नहीं मानते, समझ नहीं पाते, उसकी मर्यादा नहीं जानते. कुछ पैसा रखो, रखना पड़ता है. जैसे हम किताब वितरण करते हैं, when you distribute the books, actually we can distribute them free, because this book published, print, someone gave donation through, and I have no money, someone gave money, so I printed this book. Why not give the free everybody? But if I give the free, they will not read. I have to put some money. Gurudev told, no, you have to put some money. Then if they buy the book, then you need what is the value of this book. Give them. Take this. Why not? Sasta nauna basta. If it is very cheap, that is useless. Or if you buy, then you understand what is the value. So in the same way, Nityananda Prabhu, he told to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Prabhu, you have to, क्या बोल रहा हूँ?
Condition.
Make some charge, money. What is that? Shraddha Mulle Hatere Vikhaya. And if you want to take Harinam, And you have to pay some money. What the money?
Shraddha.
Shraddha Mulle. Heartily vichar. Here Bhakti Vinod Thakur very clearly explain Nityananda Prabhu saying, in my market you have to buy these valuable things. Just pay your Shraddha. गोत्र में नित्यानंद महाजन पाती अच्छे नाम हट जीवेर कारण गोत्र में नित्यानंद महाजन पाती अच्छे नाम हट श्रद्धावान जन हे श्रद्धावान जन श्रद्धावान जन हे श्रद्धावान जन गोत्र में नित्यानंद महाजन पाती अच्छे नाम हट जीवेर कारण श्रद्धावान जन हे श्रद्धावान जन हे श्रद्धावान जन who has faith and please take this that is Shraddha Mulle Hatere Bechai. That means Nityananda Prabhu he is selling Hari Naams only your faith. Naam aparad, 10 types of naam aparad. One naam aparad is called Shraddhahin Jane Naam Upadesh. श्रद्धाहीन जनों के जन जो है जिसको श्रद्धा नहीं है उसके नाम के बारे में उपदेश देना ये अपराध होता है? श्रद्धावान श्रद्धाहीन who has no faith. Here in this naam aparad 10 types of offenses, chanting of the holy names. This one at the 8th or 9th number of holy naam aparad which are explained. Who has no faith, and if you glorify the holy names, then you committed offense. Shraddhavan Janukis Naam Upadesh, Naam Aparad. Saying this. So, next your question will come. He is also saying, conditioned soul, they have no Shraddha. They have no Shraddha. So, how will preach Hari Naam? कैसे नाम प्रचार कैसे करो? So, for this regard, Bhaktivedanta Prabhupada he told, okay, who has no Shraddha? You tell to him only 3 times. And if he not accept, just ignore. Understand? जिसके श्रद्धा नहीं है, उसके 3 बार बोल दो बस. यदि आपके बात नहीं माने, उसको इग्नोर करो बस. ऐसे व्यक्ति की जरूरत नहीं है. मरने दो उसको, नरक में जाने दो. No. How to convert the people? You create the sukriti. उसके सुकृति की पुष्टि करो. हाउ? बोले सार्व. मंदिर में आ जाओ, झाड़ू लगाओ. तो नाम करने की जरूरत नहीं. No need to chant holy name. Just you come in temple and pray. देखो इसमें क्या होता है? शुद्धि, सुकृति बन जाए. Create the spiritual pious activity. यही सुकृति पुष्ट होते होते when this sukriti will be matured, then you will get the association with sadhu sang. Bhaktistu bhadbhakta sangena parijayate satsang prapate pungvi sukriti purva sanchite. Paribhakti subodhay gives evidence. When our sukriti will be matured and accumulated, then we will get the association of sadhu sangha. Or with the association of sadhu, then Krishna Bhakti will manifest in our heart. This is the process. Then will come Shraddha, Sadhu Sangha, Bhajana Kriya, Anartha Vritti, Nishtha, Ruchi, Asakti, Bhav and Prema Dosha. Shraddha to Asakti, this is called, what is this called? Sadhan Bhakti. Today I told. Sadhan Bhakti, Bhav Bhakti and Prema Bhakti. Shraddha, Sadhu Sangha, Bhajana Kriya, Anartha Vritti, Nishtha, Ruchi and Asakti. This is called Sadhan Bhakti. Then Bhava Bhakti will come. Actual Bhav will manifest by the mercy of Guru and Krishna. So Bhav Bhakti, one name is called Kripa Saddha Bhakti. Kripa Saddha, that means you attain the bhav by the mercy of Guru and Krishna. Bhagavad Kripa अथवा Bhagavad Kripa, or Bhakta Kripa. Bhav will not, you will not attain the bhav, the performing of your bhajan, performing your sadhan. समझ में आ रहा है? भाव जो है साधन के द्वारा प्राप्ति नहीं होगा. भाव प्राप्ति का उपाय क्या है? How will you attain the bhav? When you receive the mercy of Bhagavan and Bhakta. Bhakta Kripa and Bhagavat Kripa. But here condition, Vishwanath Chakravarti Pa's Madhurya Kadamini Grantha. Very nicely explained. You have to read Madhurya Kadamini. Without reading Madhurya Kadamini Grantha, any method, you cannot to develop your bhajan in sadhana. And Gurudev, nice book, manifested in English. Gurudev, many years, he gave class in Madhurya Kadambini, but that was in Hindi. Now our devotees, they also transcribed in Hindi to English, Madhurya Kadambini Grantha. Everybody have to keep. If you don't have time to read, just to keep your house and keep your pocket. That's very important. Madhurya Kadambini Grantha. I think everybody will have. Who has no Madhurya Kadambini? Don't sigh. You have to check. Madhurya Kadambini Grantha. Very sweet Grantha. And Gurudev, actually origin Grantha Vishwanath Chakravarti passed. Madhurya Kadambini Grantha. Then Gurudev, explanation more and more. Very nice, beautiful. And elaborately Gurudev explained and every word of Madhurya Kadambini. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Vishwanath Chakravarti passed, explained in this Madhurya Kadambini Grantha, very clearly explained how will attain the bhav. Because bhav is called, what is called? Kripa Saddha. उन्होंने attain to bhav by the mercy of Guru and Lord. भक्त भगवान की कृपा से भाव हृदय में प्रकट होता है. साधन के द्वारा नहीं, हजारों काल साधन करते रहे, भाव उत्पन्न नहीं होगा. केवल जब भगवान की कृपा होती है. When you receive the mercy of Krishna or the devotee of Lord, Bhakta Kripa and Bhagavat Kripa. There are two types of mercy. One is called Bhakta Kripa, another is called Bhagavat Kripa. But Bhagavat Kripa, the mercy of Lord, kathanchit, very rare. भगवान किसी की कृपा नहीं करते हैं. यदि करते तो बहुत कम है. क्यों बोलो? है भगवान में एक गुण होता है, समा गुण होता है. नौ में दस्यो न में प्रिय, नौ में देशोस्ति न में प्रिय. भागवत, श्रीमद् भागवत गीता, कृष्ण told to Arjuna, who is my friend or who is my enemy? I am equal to all the living entities. Samaham sarvabhutesu no me desya no me priya. Bhagavad Gita. Samaham sarvabhutesu. I completely equal to all the living entities. Who is my enemy or who is my friend? मेरा शत्रु कौन है, कौन मित्र है? भगवान का मित्र मानते हैं, इसलिए भगवान उनको मित्र मानते हैं. भगवान का आप शत्रु मानते हैं तो भगवान आपके शत्रु नहीं मानते, किंतु आपके दंड दे करके सुधारते. कंसा, just I told, who is the friend of Krishna? No one, the friend of Krishna. Because Krishna is Bhagavan. But the devotees of Lord, Bhagavad Bhakta, they are thinking Krishna is my friend. Srimad Bhagavatam, the conversation between Uddhav and Maitri Rishi. Uddhav, when returned back Dwarka to what is called Kedar Badri, that time he met with Maitri Rishi. Then Krishna, then Uddhav, he felt pang separation from Krishna. Then Uddhav, he told, hey Maitri Rishi, listen, I lost the very, very valuable things. What is that? Krishna. When I was staying with Krishna, then that I was thinking Krishna is my friend. है? उद्धव क्या कहने लगे, जब मैं कृष्ण के साथ था, कृष्ण के मेरा मित्र, मैं अपने उनके मित्र मानता था, किंतु कृष्ण मेरा थोड़ी मित्र है, भगवान है, भगवान किसी को मित्र थोड़ी होता है? मैंने उसको मित्र माना तो उसको वो मुझे भी मित्र मानते हैं। I was thinking he is my friend. For this regard Krishna, he was thinking also I am his friend. भगवान किसी के मित्र तो मित्र नहीं होते, ना शत्रु होते, वो तो आत्माराम अप्तकाम, सेल्फ सेटिस्फाइड एंड फुलफिल ऑल हिज डिजायर। भगवान किसी के मित्र नहीं होते हैं, ना किसी के शत्रु होते हैं, वो तो आत्माराम एंड अप्तकाम। Try to understand the philosophy also. So Uddhav he told, Bhagavan is there. Give an example. Uddhav gave a very nice example. And in the sky, the moon is there. And the moon reflected in the water of the river. Then all the fish, they are thinking maybe this is another kind of fish. So that time, all the fish, they also making friendship with the reflection of the moon. They are thinking this is another kind of fish. और when the water of the क्या बोलते हैं, जल की तरंग होते हैं, the waves of the water, जल की जब तरंग होते हैं ना, वो रिफ्लेक्शन क्या होता है, वो भी हिलता रहता है। when that प्रतिबिंब है, when the reflection of the moon and also trembling with the water or something, and that time the fish, they are thinking, oh, he is your friend, he is playing with us. Actually moon is fixed, moon is not moving, nothing. That the reflection, that the बिंब, प्रतिबिंब, समझ में आ रहा है? आकाश में जो चंद्रमा जो है, चंद्रमा की जो प्रतिच्छवि जो है वो समुद्र में पड़ा, प्रतिबिंब जिसे कहते हैं, और जल की तरंग से वो प्रतिबिंब ऐसे हिलना शुरू कर देते। तब वो समुद्र पार नदी में जो मछलियां, वो सोचते हैं हमारे भांति एक कोई एक दूसरी कोई मछली होगा, तो उसके साथ वो खेलना शुरू कर देते हैं। तो उसी प्रकार उद्धव भी कहने लगे, कृष्ण भगवान, जो भगवान होते हैं, भगवान तो होता है कैसे, आत्माराम अप्तकाम, सेल्फ सेटिस्फाइड फुलफिल। भगवान में कोई मित्रता शत्रुता नहीं, तो ना कुछ होता है। भक्त जिस प्रकार भगवान के साथ व्यवहार करते हैं, भगवान उसके साथ वही प्रकार व्यवहार करते हैं। लॉर्ड ही इज नॉट योर फ्रेंड, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ यू बिहेव विद लॉर्ड, देन लॉर्ड विल बिहेव विद यू सेम। Uddhav, he was crying and told these things. Now we realize Krishna is Bhagavan. So try to understand this philosophy. So Bhagavad Kripa, this mercy of Lord, this is very very rare. कभी कभी हो जाता है किसी को। भगवत कृपा सबके ऊपर नहीं होता है, कि भगवत कृपा करते ही नहीं, यदि करें तो कथनचित। इसलिए विश्वनाथ चक्रवर्ती क्या लिख रहे हैं, कथनचित, वेरी रेयर। पर भक्त कृपा दिस इज अवेलेबल। भक्त की कृपा जो है वो हमें मिल सकता है, क्योंकि वो कौन सा भक्त हमें कृपा करेंगे, मध्यम अधिकारी, इंटरमीडिएट डिवोटी, ही विल गिव मर्सी टू अस। कनिष्ठ अधिकारी कैन नॉट गिव मर्सी। उत्तम भागवत also will not give mercy, because उत्तम भागवत also समदर्शी। सर्वभूतेषु जपस्य भगवत भाव आत्मनो भगवती भगवतात्मा स उत्तम भागवत। उत्तम भागवत, he does not look who is qualified or unqualified, and he looks everywhere his इष्टदेव। तावर जंगम देखे ना देखे तोर मूर्ति, जहाँ जहाँ नेत्र बड़े इष्ट देवे स्फूर्ति। वन देखी भ्रमई वृंदावन, जहाँ नदी देखे मानोए कालिंदी, महाप्रेमी महाप्रेमे भासी जाए का। दिस इज द सेंटर उत्तम भागवत। Uttam Bhagavatam. He looks everywhere, his Ishtadev. And all the devotees, living entities, they serve to his Ishtadev according to his own mood. And he always absorbed in his stimulation mood. If he looks in a small river, he is thinking this is Jamuna. All the sweet pastimes of Jamuna manifest in his heart. If he looks on small mountain, he is thinking this is Giriraj Govardhan. If he looks small forest, he is thinking this is Vrindavan. So saying these words, Tabar Jangam Deke, Na Deke Tar Murti, Jaha Jaha Nitra Pade, Ishta Deves Murti. Mandake Brahma, Ei Vrindavan, Jaha Nadi Dekhe, Manoe Kalindi, Mahapremi, Mahapreme, Bhashijai Kandi. Those who are high class, exalted, Mahabhagavat, they always absorb in Krishna and Ashtakali Lila pastimes. Sometimes crying, sometimes laughing, sometimes rolling on the ground. Because different Krishna Lila manifested in his heart. Sometimes Viraha Lila, separation mood, or sometimes Milanantak Lila, meeting Lila. So for this regard, the highest devotee, exalted devotee, sometimes crying, sometimes rolling on the ground, sometimes laughing this way. Evam brata sapnanam kritva jatanu rago dutatu ruchai hasati atho rodoti roti gayan madhvat nityato lokavach. As like our 6 Goswamis, they perform bhajan in sadhana Vrindavan. Srinivas Acharya, he composed the glorification of 6 Goswamis, 3rd Goswamis. He Radhe Vrajlalite, He Nanda Suno Kuta, Shri Govardhana Kalpa Padvatale, Kalindi Vanne Kuta, Vasanta Viti Sarvata Vrajapure, Kedari Mahavihalu, Vande Rupa Sanatanu, Raghujugau Sriji Gopalaku. Our 6 Goswamis, how did, apart from bhajan and sadhana Vrindavan, this is Viraha mood. He Radhe, He Vrajadevike, He Lalite, He Srimati Radhike, He Lalita Devi, He Visakhe, where are you? Sometimes they used to come on the bank of Jamuna. Ask Jamuna Devi, Hey Jamuna Devi, have you seen our Samini Srimati Radhika? But Jamuna Devi did not give any answer. Jamuna Devi, the river of Jamuna is flowing. What is saying? Kal, 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 kal. So here Radhe Vrajlalite He Nanda Suno Kuta. Sri Govardhana Kalpa Padapatale, sometimes 6 Goswamis, they used to come on the lap of Giriraj Govardhan and cried and asked Giriraj Govardhan, Hey Giriraj Govardhan, have you seen Divine told Radha and Krishna, क्या आप लोग ने राधा गोविंद के दर्शन किया? But Giriraj Govardhan did not give any answer. But why Giriraj Govardhan did not give answer? Because Giriraj Govardhan also feeling separation from Radha and Krishna. Viraha. एक कोई रो रहे, दूसरे कोई रो रहे, एक दूसरे के क्या जवाब क्या देगा? समझ में आ रहा है? And you are crying, and another person is crying. If you ask who will give the answer, no one give answer. In the same way, Giriraj Govardhan also feeling separation from Radha and Krishna. Because now, aprakat, what is called? Dissaman Prakash. Then three types of stage of Dham. One is called Dissaman Prakash. Dissaman. But if you looking at the pastime places of Krishna, this is called Giriraj Govardhan, Radha Kunda Sample. One is called Prakat Lila. When Krishna, Dapar Juga, he manifests his Lila in this Bhauma Vrindavan. That is called Prakat Lila. Prakat means manifest. Or Aprakat in transcendental world, Golok Vrindavan. Now you are going Vrindavan, Radha Kunda, Sam Kunda. Actually, this is called Drisyaman Prakash. The place is there. But you cannot see the Leelas. No pastimes you cannot see. Same Giriraj Govardhan is there. So now same way our 6 Goswamis, they asked the Giriraj Govardhan, have you seen our beloved Divine Radha and Krishna? But Giriraj Govardhan did not give any answer. Because also Giriraj Govardhan, he is feeling separation from Radha and Krishna. So saying the He Radhe Braja Lalite He Nanda Suno Kuta Sri Govardhan Kalpapad Badale Kalim Divanne Kuta Ghusant Viti Sarvato Brajapure Khedir Mahaviyallo Bande Rupa Sanatanu Raghujugo Srijiva Gopal. Actually this mood is coming from where? Srimati Radhika. Then coming Madhavendra Puripad, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu this is coming. Today is very super excellent auspicious. I think today is the disappearance day of Madhavendra Puripad. It's very important. Super excellent auspicious day. Madhavendra Puripad. And Chaitanya Charitamrita Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami explained. And highest separation mood manifested in the heart of Srimati Radhika. And Krishna विरह के सर्वोत्तम भाव राधा जी के हृदय में प्रकट हुई, जिससे सुखदेव गोस्वामी पाद केवल 10 श्लोकों के द्वारा उसको वर्णन कर दिया, जिसके कहा जाता है जल्प अजल्प सुजल्प प्रतिजल्प अभिजल्प etc. The highest separation mood manifested in the heart of Srimati Radhika. Sukdev Goswami Pad, he did not explain all the separation mood of Srimati Radhika. Just he explained only 10 verses in Srimati Radhika's separation mood. That is called Bhramar Geet, the song of the bumblebee, Bhramar Geet. Only 10 slokas. Jalpa, Jalpa, Sujalpa, Pratijalpa, Abhijalpa. That's it. Uddhav, when he came in Vrindavan, he noticed very far, he noticed Srimati Radhika's this Viraha Dasha. Then Uddhav, he became very surprised. What kinds of prem in the heart of Srimati Radhika? Sukdev Goswami Pad did not mention the name of Srimati Radhika. Just he indirectly mentioned Srimati Radhika. Kachit Goppa. Kachit means maybe one gopi, some gopi. One gopi. Who is that? Actually Srimati Radhika. So now coming in the Divine Sense, because same Viraha mood first manifest and secondly manifest in the heart of Madhavendra Puripad. Madhavendra Puripad. So Madhavendra Puripad is called the sprout of the Prem. Premankur bala. Madhavendra Puripad ke se Prem ke Ankur mane sprout. The sprout of Prem which manifested in the heart of Madhavendra Puripad. Then Madhavendra Puripad he gives Prem to Issar Puripad. Then Issar Puripad he gave this Prem in the heart of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So for this Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami explained. Oi Dina Dayadra Natha Mathura Natha Kadavalakase. This verse uttered by only 3%, not 4%. First Srimati Radhika, second Madhavendra Puripad, or third Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. High separation. Viraha. So just I return back to this subject, then finish. The Uttam Bhagavat, he will not give prem. Kanishta Bhagavat also will not give prem. So who will give prem? Because just I also bhav is called Kripa Saddha. You attentive bhav by the mercy of the devotee. So which Bhagavat devotee will give prem to us? Only Madhyam Bhagavat. Because Madhyam Bhagavat has 4 qualifications. What is the 4 qualifications of Madhyam Bhagavat? Ishvare tadadhasu barisu didasu cha prema maitri kripa apeksha jo karoti sa madhyama. अब सब लोग इस श्लोक के याद कर लेना. क्या बोला? ईश्वरे तदधिनेषु बालिसेषु दिदसु च प्रेम मैत्री कृपापेक्षा ज करोति स मध्यम. Who is called intermediate devotee? Ishvare prem, who has love and affection with Lord. Here prem means asakti, not the prem. If the prem only manifesting the heart of Uttam Bhagavad. Here Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained prem means deep attachment towards Lord. Ishvara prem, prema, maitri. Maitri means he makes the friendship with the devotee. Prema maitri. Kripa, he gives mercy to everybody. And upeksha means neglects. Those who are against Guru and Vaishnava, Guru Drahi, he neglects. And aparadh, that is called. So prema maitri kripa upeksha. Ishvare tadudhinesu balisu didasu cha. Prema maitri kripa upeksha ja karoti sa madhyama. That means conclusion is that only Madhyam Bhagavat, intermediate devotee, will give mercy to us. केवल मध्यम भागवत हमें कृपा कर सकते हैं। उत्तम भागवत के पास कहो कृपा करो कृपा करो, वो कहेंगे तुम भी मुझे कृपा करो। If you go in front of Uttam Bhagavat, oh give mercy, he will go, okay, first you give mercy, then I will give to you. My Gurudev Bhaman Goswami Maharaj, Gurudev कृपा करो, मुझे गुरुदेव कहते थे, बंगला भाषा में कहते थे, मुझे प्राप्ति हो जाए तो तुमको मैं दे दूंगा। If I will get mercy, then I will give you. This is called his humility, daina. Uttam Bhagavad is. But Madhyam Bhagavat, what is called Maitri. Maitri means he makes the friendship with the devotee. But this, he makes the friendship with the devotee in three categories. That is called मैत्री युक्त मैत्री, कृपा युक्त मैत्री और सेवा युक्त मैत्री। इसको लिखो, नहीं भूल जाओगे सब, मेरा बोलना बेकार हो जाएगा सब। क्या बोला? मैत्री युक्त मैत्री. Those who are same level of the devotees, then he makes the same equal of the मैत्री, माने friendship. इसको कहा जाता है मैत्री युक्त मैत्री, कृपा युक्त मैत्री, who is senior to him. And then he also makes the friendship with him. That is called Kripa Yukta Maitri. He gives mercy. Or senior. When he is senior, those who are junior. Then he also makes the friendship with them and with mercy. Kripa करके और third, Seva Yukta Maitri. And he also makes the friendship who is higher than him. And also with that is seva bhav is coming, service almost. In this way, and he makes the friendship with the devotee. याद रखना, कृपा युक्त मैत्री युक्त मैत्री, कृपा युक्त मैत्री और सेवा युक्त मैत्री. अरे इतना ही याद रख दिया तो पंडित बन जाओगे तुम. So that means conclusion, Madhurya Kadamini, Vishwanath Chakravarti, he gives the conclusion. That means only Madhyam Bhagavat will give mercy to us. So then maybe your question will come, Uttam Bhagavat he will not give mercy? But yes, when Uttam Bhagavat, his mood will come down in the stage of Madhyam Bhagavat, then he will give mercy, otherwise not. समझ में? बोलो वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय जय. So Madhurya Kadamini. So if you read Madhurya Kadamini Grantha, very sweet. And all Tattva Siddhanta, then they are very beautiful Grantha. I sometimes also explain, you have to read Gurudev two Granthas. One Tattva Siddhanta Grantha, Madhurya Kadamini Grantha, and another Rasmadhurya Grantha. If you want to enter this, then you read Bhajan Rasa. Bhajan Rasa composed by, इसका है Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Bhaktivinoda Thakur. And when he performed bhajan and sadhan in Godrum, sometimes he completely absorbs his own transcendental constitution from Ashtakali Lila. And sometimes he recited some verses. And he recited. That time Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada, he also note down and in his paper. Then later he manifested in the book of Bhajan Rahasya Grantha. Bhajan Rahasya Grantha you read also. Very nice, beautiful. And but most of the same similar activities of Madhurya Kadamini and Bhajan Rahasya. But little bit Madhurya Kadamini Grantha little bit more higher, what is called? Tattva Siddhanta, most Tattva Siddhanta is there. And elaborately explained. Just a given Shraddha, Sadhusanga, Bhajana Kriya, Anantruti, Nishtha, Ruchi, Asakti, Bhav, Prem. Then Sriha, Man, Pranay, Rag, Undarag, Bhav, Mahabhav, Ruda, Udhira, Mohan. Then Madanakho, Mahabhav. Different stages of the Prem in there. But there are so many kinds of obstacles also coming. Then you can find out your own faults. यदि माधुर्य कादम्बरी आप ग्रंथ अध्ययन करें, आपको अपने आप पता लगेगा कि मेरा हृदय में भक्ति क्यों उदित नहीं हो रहा है. If you read Madhurya Kadamini Grantha, then you can realize yourself why you are not to progressing your bhajan in sadhana. What is your fault? No need to ask to anyone. And if you read Madhurya Kadamini Grantha, then you can understand what is your fault. अपना दोष अपने को जब देख लेते हैं ना, तब कोई सुधारता है. हम अपना दोष देखना नहीं चाहते, दूसरे को दोष देखते हैं. I don't want to see my own fault. I want to see others' fault. So for this regard, I am not developing on bhajan and sadhana. When I will see my own fault, then I will be develop my bhajan and sadhana. कोई अपने दोस्त को देखे तब दोस्त सुधारने के लिए वो प्रयास करेंगे. हमारी शरीर, हमारे हृदय में कौन सा कमियां हैं, कमियां समझते हो? जब हम इसको जरूरत तब हम देखें. जैसे आपके शरीर में कौन सा विटामिन कम हो गया, इसको कैसे पता लगेगा बताओ? ब्लड टेस्ट करो. ब्लड टेस्ट करने से आपके पता लगेगा आपके ब्लड में कौन सा विटामिन कम हो गया. और ब्लड में शुगर ज्यादा बढ़ गया कि कम हो गया, घट गया, ये ब्लड टेस्ट करना, डॉक्टर ब्लड टेस्ट कराता है. तो मानो आपके विटामिन कौन से कम हो गया? डी कम हो गया बोले. B12 भी. हाँ, जो कमी हो गया तो उसको क्या करना पड़ेगा? इंजेक्शन लेना पड़ेगा ना. बस साग सब्जी खाना पड़ेगा. अरे वेजिटेबल्स, वेजिटेबल्स में वेजिटेबल, ये इंग्लिश जानता नहीं. If you have to blood test, then you realize yourself what क्या बोलते हैं, what types of vitamin have you need. Then you can take injection or you can eat some vegetables or something. In the same way, if you read Madhurya Kadamini Grantha, then you can realize yourself what is your fault. हमारे कथा में क्यों रुचि नहीं क्यों होता है? कथा में रुचि नहीं होता है. होता है? Why I have no taste to chanting holy names, listen Hari Katha. Ore mon ruchi nahi kanatava Krishna Nam. You ask your mind, oh mind, why you have no taste to chanting holy names? तब जानी पूर्वजने पाप कर्म रहेছে কত পাপ रहेছে কত পাপ কর্ম. Answer is coming. For the answer, in previous life you committed many kinds of sinful activities. For this regard, you have no taste to chanting holy name. So what you will do? Serve Guru and Vaishnava. Then all your sinful activities. Then slowly, taste will come chanting holy name. In the same way, there are many kinds of obstacles coming to perform our bhajan and sadhana. Just I tell you, 5 obstacles are coming, everybody. What the first one? Loy, Vikshep, Apatipatti, Kosai and रस साधन. लॉय मीन्स, what do you mean लॉय? लॉय मीन्स स्लीपनेस का. निद्रा बार बार श्रवण कीर्तन बस स्मरण में बार बार नींद आ जाना. नींद आती है? बहुत आती है बोलते हैं. कथा में नींद आ जाती है, नींद सो जाती है. कुछ लोग कथा शुरू हुआ और वो सो गए. बहुत अच्छा कथा हुई है. क्यों कथा इतनी बढ़िया हुई, मैं बिल्कुल सो गया. The katha is very sweet. For this regard, I completely what? That is called loy. कथा में विशेषकर देखो 3 प्रकार के होते हैं हमारे भजन. एक श्रवण, कीर्तन और स्मरण. स्मरण में जो अधिक नींद आती है, कम नींद आती है श्रवण में, और सबसे कम नींद किस में आती है? कीर्तन में. देखो कीर्तन करो, देखो नींद अपने आप भाग जाएगा. फॉर दिस रिगार्ड, इफ यू जस्ट आई एक्सप्लेन, माधु चकादमणि एक्सप्लेन, and sleepiness coming in 3 stages. And if you listen Hari Katha, then sleepiness will come. But if you chant holy names, sleepiness will go away. And if you remembrance, smaran, then more sleepiness. Actually, for this regard, in Kali Yuga, Nam Sankirtan. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama. कीर्तनाख्य भक्ति, इसी कहते हैं लॉय. अर्थात श्रवण एक स्मरण, श्रवण कीर्तन स्मरण. श्रवण में ज्यादा नींद आती है, उससे अधिक नींद आता है किसमें? स्मरण में. और सबसे कम नींद किस में आएगा? कीर्तन में. इसलिए कहा गया ये कली युग में कीर्तनाख्य भक्ति. एंड इफ यू रिमेम्बर स्मरण, स्लो मच स्लीपनेस विल कम. स्पेशली व्हेन यू आर chanting your गायत्री मंत्र, ओम भूर्भुवः स्व मीन्स सो गए. अच्छा, गायत्री मंत्र ओम भूर्भुवः, बोले स्व मीन्स क्या? सो जाओ बस. सो जाते. हाँ, बहुत लोग सो जाते. बोले मेरा आनी करने में 2 घंटा लगता है, 2 घंटा सो जाते. श्रवण में when you listen Hari Katha also sleepiness comes. But if you chant holy names loudly, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So this is called loy. Loy means sleepiness. Vikshep, second, remember. Vikshep means distraction. Mind very difficult to concentrate of your Shraddha Vastu. Not very easy to. Vikshep, mind always you are traveling here and there without ticket, without passport or without visa. That is the loy Vikshep. Apratipatti, unable to concentrate your mind with bhajan and sadhana. Trying back, but again mind run away. Not so easy to. Apratipatti. Kosai. Kosai means past life, many kinds of bad impressions, kusanskar. Understand? And that also disturbs your bhajan and sadhana. So, loy, vikshep, apatbutti, kosai, rasa sadhana. Rasa sadhana means during the chanting of the holy names or perform bhajan and sadhana, and many kinds of material enjoyment coming in your mind and enjoying the sense gratifications. That is called rasa asadhana. Enjoying the material sense gratifications in your mind. कभी कभी भजन करते करते नाम तो कर रहे हैं और मन क्या कर रहे हैं? जड़ वस्तु की चिंतन कर रहे हैं, उसमें रस आस्वादन होते जा रहे हैं. इसी वजह से रस आस्वादन ये समझते भक्ति के क्या हुए प्रतिबंधक. All these are the obstacles of our bhajan and sadhana. Eh? Gaur Premanande. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Nitai Gaura Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Premanande. Okay, everybody come, take prasadam. Huh? एक हो जाएगा, एक दे दो. Those who are taking, go. Go back. You are clever, so you go to the back. If you finish, then you cannot take it. They do understand how is your clever.
Я же опытный добытчик.
Hey, Jul, legally, this side में आ जाओ. You can decide because you took and give the fish of the other.